Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shutter Encoder for fast batch transcoding, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Shutter Encoder, open your web browser and navigate to the Shutter Encoder website. Once the page loads, look for the download section. You will see options for different operating systems. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Click on the download link to start the download process. Once the download completes, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Shutter Encoder on your computer. After the installation is complete, open Shutter Encoder. You will see the main interface where you can begin your transcoding tasks. Enter your email address in the provided field to receive the latest news and updates. Check for any confirmation email in your inbox. Make sure to verify your subscription if required. You can now start using Shutter Encoder for fast batch transcoding. Explore the software to familiarize yourself with its features. Start adding files to your batch list for transcoding. Choose your desired output format from the options available. Click on the Start button to begin the transcoding process. Monitor the progress in the interface until the process is complete. Once finished, your transcoded files will be ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.